What's going on, everybody? I'm going to share with you a super cool item that has high profits, and I only paid $2.
So what is this item exactly?
This is a Power Rangers morpher from 1998. If you're familiar with this, you wear it. It has a strap. I almost broke it. It has a strap, and it's battery operated. You turn it on. It has lights and some sounds.
And you just sold this.
And I just sold this about 2 hours ago for $70. So I paid $2, sold it for $70. Oh yeah, and I paid $1.99 for this in a bag at Savers. So this was a great find. It was a fast seller. I sold this within 7 days of buying it. And the profit margin is huge. So be on the lookout for Power Rangers, guys, the vintage 1990s. Not too much of the action figures unless they're brand new in the box, but what you really want to look out for is the Megazords, the larger action figures, and any electronic morpher or weapon. So be on the lookout for things like this, and any weapons and Megazords, and that's it.
Yeah, and we just recorded a whole bunch of videos. So you guys, if you aren't subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. And you see all those bags right there? We're in a hotel room right now because I'm looking for a property to move into. But anyways, you could find those at Savers. And you know, this is what Vinny's been doing for what, 5 years now?
5 years, yep.
And I mean, he does anywhere from 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. I mean, even had months where we've done over $5,000 part-time selling toys. So if you want to learn from this guy, he's been one of my best friends for years. I'll put some links down below to some of the guides that he's created. He's created over 4 guides with all different types of weird items that you could pick up just like this. What other advice would you give to people who are like, you know what, I see toys all the time, but I'm just not sure how to get started. I'm not sure if they actually sell.
What would I say to them? I would say to them that I've done it, so I know it works. I would tell them to basically educate themselves, know what I know, and you'll reap the profits that I reap. And it's simple as that. It's like the proof is in the pudding, so to say. If you go do it, you do your homework, you go out there to the thrift stores, like I can literally guarantee people now you will find stuff and you will make money.
Yeah, and let us know in the comments what thrift stores you guys have in your area. And let us know where you're from.
Goodwills.
Yeah, we have Salvation Army, Goodwill.
Yeah, we have Salvation Army too.
And the crazy thing is, you could find stuff like this at garage sales, auctions.
$1.99. They didn't know what this was. They're like, what is this plastic thing? $1.99.
Yeah, and some of the thrift store prices are getting crazy, but things like this, all the time, they literally fall through the cracks. Now the only question is, are you going to be there to pick it up? Or is Vinny? Hit the like button, subscribe, check out some of Vinny's guides down below, and stay tuned because we have so much content coming. Much respect.